Hi there, students. Plebeian, an adjective. Also a noun, a plebeian. And then you could also say a pleb. Okay, plebeian as an adjective means of a low social class, lower class, common. But very often we use the phrase a pleb as an insult, saying somebody's got absolutely no taste. He's a total pleb. All of these plebs complaining that we don't give them enough beer. They should drink good French wine and things like that. Okay, so let's see. A plebeian. A plebeian, it comes from ancient Rome. Yeah, these are members of the plebs, and they used to use plebs. You can use plebs as well. This is okay. Roman society was split into the nobles, yeah, the patricians, the people from the important families, and the plebeians. Okay, these are still Roman citizens. They're not slaves, but they're commoners. They're not important people. Okay, so plebeian. Yeah, he has very plebeian tastes. Yeah, he lacks refinement. He's got very uncultured tastes, unrefined, very lowbrow. Most of what is broadcast on television now is so plebeian. Yeah, it's rather philistine and lowbrow. It's vulgar and common. Yeah. And then you can use this informally. What a pleb. Yeah, saying you think this person is vulgar, they're common. You think they're unsophisticated, they're rude and brutal. Yeah. A plebeian, somebody from a lower class. If you describe something as plebeian, yeah, you think it's typical of lower class people. It's something plebeian is low, it's base, it's not refined, it's not cultured. Yeah, it's very coarse. Yeah, Sometimes I can be very plebeian in my taste because some of the plebeian things are really nice. Yeah, but other things are, well, I think I prefer them when they're more refined. So plebeian is an adjective, something belonging to the common people, something that's commonplace, that it's not very refined, it's not something fine and superior. Yeah, so, well, I'm wearing a plebeian t-shirt as always. Okay, so formality. Let's see. He has plebeian tastes. Yeah. This television program is terribly plebeian. I would give it a 5, maybe 5.5 in formality. But if you call somebody a pleb, that's 3.5 in formality. You're insulting them. Don't listen to him. He's just a pleb. Don't be such a pleb. Don't be such a plebeian. Maybe 4 in formality as well. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin plebeius, a commoner or common, from Latin plebes. The plebeians, the common people. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Plebeian, pleb, plebs.